Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing watermelon cooling face massage gel. This gel is specially used during summers since our face needs hydration. Like our body, our face also needs hydration. So in order to prepare this massage gel, I'm going to require fresh watermelon juice. This revitalizing watermelon gel will give a cooling effect on your face and also keep your face young looking and clean. It also cleans the pores and also removes excess oil and sebum from your skin. This fruit is a great way to keep your skin hydrated and supple. I just love the texture of this gel. Firstly, I will grind the watermelon manually. You can also use a mixer grinder, but I prepare it in small batches. That's why I always use this method. You can store this for 5 days in refrigerator. So I really prepare a very less quantity and it's too easy to prepare. Now see the color of the juice. It's so tempting. I've taken 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and now I'm going to add it into aloe vera gel and mix it slowly. As you mix, you can see the color is changing. Now it will turn into a complete red color. You can also add cucumber gel instead of aloe vera gel. After mixing it completely, you can see how wonderful it has turned out. Now I'll just take this mixture and store it in my small jar. This massage gel is very gentle on skin and suitable for even oily skin people since it doesn't contain any kind of comedogenic ingredient. Our massage gel is ready. See the texture and the color. It's so amazing. There are many watermelon gels available in the market, but I prefer preparing my own gel. It's soothing and hydrating. Once you apply it on your face, you'll feel a really cooling and amazing sensation. It smells so wonderful. For oily skin people, you can use it this way. If you have dry skin, you can also add vitamin E capsule into it. Since sometimes my skin gets really dry, I love adding vitamin E capsule. You can skip this process if you feel vitamin E capsule is a bit sticky, but I love using it. Once I add vitamin E capsule, I will again stir it properly and then it is ready to store. So if you've liked this, please